Hey guys, what's going on? So there's a right way and a wrong way to do affiliate marketing, and most people are doing affiliate marketing the wrong way. So what I want to do in this video is show you what I call the 6 C's of affiliate marketing. And these are going to be 6 key points. And once you understand these 6 key points that I'm going to share with you in this video, you'll understand the framework for successful affiliate marketing. Now, since this is the Becoming Legendary channel and the whole purpose of this channel is to teach you how to make more money with Legendary Marketer, I'm going to take you inside the computer and show you some specifics how this will apply to Legendary Marketer. But if you are interested in making more money online, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Of course, hit bell notifications as well so that you get notified when I do release a brand new free affiliate marketing training, because once again, that's what this channel is all about, helping you make more money online with affiliate marketing. Now, if we jump inside the computer here, you're going to see my back dashboard for Legendary Marketer. Now, the cool thing about this program is because they have a value ladder with high ticket back end commissions, they create a system that really allows me to use the 6 C's that I'm going to give you in this video to create a passive income stream. Now, you may have noticed I just gave you 1 C already, but if you didn't notice, don't worry about it. I'm going to bring it up here in just a second. But what you can see here is this is the Legendary Marketer back office. And this program is doing very well for me. I recently started promoting this and it's starting to ramp up. As you can see here, over the last 30 days, I've made almost $5,000, $4,828.73 to be specific. The last 7 days have actually been really good, $2,400, $2,420.79 in the last week promoting this program. So this is a great program. I really like it. But let's talk about what's going on here. Why the last 7 days I've earned $2,400 and then today and yesterday I earned only $20. Like, what's happening here? Well, that's actually the first C that I want to talk about. And what I want to talk about is commissions, right? Commissions. You have to promote products, and you don't have to, but if you want to be successful, it's nice to promote products that have the right commission structure. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my email here, and I can't show you this entire email because there is some sensitive information, customer information that I don't want to give out. But you can see this is actually just from a couple days ago, so within the last 7 days. And this is $1,000 commission, right? So I earned $1,000 from the sale of one back-end product from the Legendary Marketer system. Well, guys, if you string a couple of these together, that's how you have $2,000 weeks, and hopefully I'm going to get to a situation very soon where that goes into the $4,000 to $5,000 range, hopefully. But you can see here, even though yesterday I only made $20, today I've only made $20 so far. It's early, but earlier in the week, I think that came through on Saturday, I made $1,000 commission. Well, I strung 2 of those together this week so far. So that's a good week, right? That's a pretty good week. I think a lot of people would be pretty happy with $2,400 in a week. So that's what the important thing that I want to mention here is you got to work with those high ticket commissions. But that's not good enough alone. We're going to get into the second C of the 6 C's of affiliate marketing here. It's not good enough to simply have a program that has high ticket commissions. And I think that's where a lot of beginners get confused. They see something, maybe some YouTuber recommended a program and it's $5,000 commission. So everybody gets starry-eyed and they think that's awesome. If I just make 1 sale a week or 1 sale a month, that's pretty good money. But the problem is you need to work with a program that gets conversions. And that's the second C that we're going to share in this video. So you need to work with a program that converts. Because if it doesn't convert, meaning if the leads that you send to the program, if the program you're working with isn't doing their job, if they're not taking those leads and turning them into sales, then you're out there busting your butt and wasting your time. And in a lot of cases, your hard-earned money. So it's not good enough just to work with a program that has high commissions. You have to work with a program that converts. And that's the great thing about Legendary Marketer is I've been doing this for 8 years now. this program converts. So I can feel good about the effort that I put in creating the content because I know that Legendary Marketer is going to do their job on the back end. And it just so happens that content is the third C of not just affiliate marketing, but passive income. And let me paint a picture here for you. There's a lot of people when they think about starting a business and they come across affiliate marketing and they like the idea of affiliate marketing because they don't have to create products and they don't have to worry about customer service and all that stuff. So they think about affiliate marketing and they think to themselves, okay, cool, I'm going to be an affiliate marketer and then I'm going to run Facebook ads and that's how I'm going to get my traffic. But there's a couple problems with that. First of all, if you could just run Facebook ads to affiliate programs and make profit, well, then that would be like unlimited money, right? Because anybody can buy Facebook ads and anybody could do affiliate marketing. So it's not going to work very well. The way advertising is set up, it's on an auction basis. So really, with affiliate marketing, the profit margin will come to zero if you're just running ads to affiliate products, right? That just makes sense. If that wasn't the case, why would the program pay you an affiliate commission? They wouldn't. So that's why we got to get back and focus on content, right? Creating content like YouTube videos, hosting content like a Facebook support group, blogging, all of these things that create content that draw attention, that get us traffic that we can send to the affiliate program that we're promoting, right? Content is huge too, because advertisements, right? When you turn off ads, everything stops. If you're running Facebook ads and you're driving traffic with ads and you turn off those ads because they're not profitable or you're losing too much money or you can't sustain long enough to actually scale up or whatever, well, you turn those off, your traffic stops and it's over. It's game over. But if you create content like YouTube videos, for instance, these videos will live on the internet, right? I could fall off the face of the earth, and as long as I have these videos hosted and I set up my system properly, then I will continue to earn passive income because the content doesn't go away. The traffic from the content, the organic traffic, does not stop. It might die eventually. It might slow down if I don't keep nurturing and feeding the machine. But literally, if I post this video and I have my system set up and I go away for a month, I will make passive income from new leads because I created the content even though I'm away for the month. So very important C for affiliate marketing and passive income. Now, I mentioned content is a great way to start creating the passive income. The key to content, guys, is not professional quality. The key to content is not expensive cameras or expensive microphones. Yeah, you can get those things over time. The key to content is not even being the foremost expert on anything at all. Okay, the key to content is relatability, is being yourself, is being your unique self, and that gives you your competitive advantage because you're unique. The algorithms will find people who like you for you. That makes business so easy. So the key to successful content is consistency. And that's, what are we on, the fourth C? That's the fourth C, guys. Consistency in your content. All you have to do is show up every day or 4 times a week or 3 times a week or whatever your schedule dictates and allows, and pull out your camera on your phone or whatever and just start uploading content. And what most people do is they go really strong for like a week or 2, but that's not enough. You got to go really strong for 2 months and 3 months, and then you'll get in the habit where all of a sudden it's just like second nature, and you will continue to do it consistently. And once you hit that point, guys, once you get to the point where you're out there consistently creating the content that's focused on drawing in your ideal customers for the offer that you're promoting, it's game over, guys. Literally, your job just becomes waking up, creating content, and going about your day. I mean, that is the potential here. And that's the thing about Legendary Marketer, guys. When I show you these numbers, these $4,000 months, these $2,000 weeks, right? This isn't something that happened over the last 2 weeks. It doesn't just happen overnight. I've been promoting this program for a little while now. 3, 4, 5, 6 months even, maybe a little bit longer. Now, the thing is, it's starting to ramp up. All the groundwork has been laid. But here's the deal. You don't start seeing the results until after that groundwork has already been laid. The success comes after the hard work is already done, right? Everything's already established. Now I just create the content and I'm going to continue to scale this up. That's the key. Now, let's talk about consistency and the fifth C here. And the fifth C is very important across your entire stream. And it even comes into play here when we talk about the sixth and final C, which I'll mention in just a second, which is probably the most important one. But when you're creating this content, when you're creating this system, when you're out there building the audience, you have to be promoting something and you have to be giving your audience certainty. Okay? That's the fifth C. You have to be certain in what you're promoting. You have to give the audience certainty that what you're promoting is the answer to their problem. So let me explain what that means. A lot of times when people go out there and they're going to create content, maybe they're going to do affiliate marketing. A lot of times what happens here is in the beginning, when you're first getting started with anything, a Facebook group, a YouTube channel, doesn't matter. It's slow to get started, right? It's kind of frustrating because you're out there, you're creating content, you're trying to stay consistent, but you're just not getting the results that you want. So a lot of times what happens is people start looking for more traffic, and people really get focused on the traffic. So say, for instance, say the Becoming Legendary channel, right? The purpose of this channel is to be 100% focused on Legendary Marketer. Now, in the beginning of this channel, I'm starting to get a little momentum now, but in the beginning of this channel, I wasn't getting a whole lot of views, at least not the views that I'm used to getting. I've been on YouTube since 2016. So there's a temptation to go after those high traffic videos, right? Like how to make $100 a day just typing names, or how to make $100 a day uploading videos without making videos, right? Like those are the type of videos that you've probably seen on YouTube, and they get tons of views, like hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. But the problem is then you're confusing the messaging, right? Like you are not sticking by the one solution. If I had created a video that was 7 ways to make money online, then my audience, right? You as the viewer are going to be like, okay, cool. Way number 1 sounds good. Way number 3 sounds good. Way number 6 sounds good. But what happens here is when you give that kind of messaging to your customers and your audience and your potential leads, well, that leads to confusion, which is not actually one of the 6 C's. It just so happens to start with a C. But it's something we want to avoid, because what happens is when people get confused, they don't take action, and confused buyers don't buy, right? So when people don't buy what we're promoting, we don't make any money. So we have to stick and be certain. We want to give certainty to our audience. I am 100% certain that Becoming Legendary is the best way for you as a beginner to make money online. Like if you don't know what to do, if you don't know where to begin, you just want to do something, you don't necessarily want to monetize your passion or build a business around your passion, you just want to do something that helps you get started fast, doesn't have a whole lot of moving pieces, and can help you start making decent money online and generating passive income, then I'm 100% certain that Legendary Marketer is the program for you. And I go through that with my entire messaging, right? And that's what you have to do. You have to just focus on being certain about one offer. That way your audience doesn't get confused. And that brings us to the sixth and final C, which is capture for control, guys. Here is my website, and this is actually where you should go, my15daychallenge.com, if you want to actually learn about this business model, and I'll actually let you copy my website if you want to actually implement the same business model that's been earning me these type of commissions over the last couple weeks here. But here's the deal. You can't just create content and send people to an offer. You have to capture for control. Bring people into your email list. That way you can follow up with your consistent messaging and further give people certainty that the program you're promoting will be the answer that they're looking for. because of the high ticket commissions, because of the fact that this program converts, right, guys? So that's like the whole picture. When if you have to rewatch this video, do so, because it's important to really understand the idea and the mindset that I think I gave you and that I hope I gave you in this video, because it doesn't matter, like the strategy, right? I can give you the strategy to make money online, right? There's plenty of gurus and people on YouTube and experts who are giving you the exact strategy, right? All the information is out there. But strategy is only 20% of the whole game, guys. Like, the mindset is the 80%. And that's what these 6 C's are all about. It's understanding, like, not necessarily the details of building a website and uploading a YouTube video and creating a thumbnail that captures attention and gets clicks on YouTube. Those are details, right? We need to talk about the overall mindset. Like, what are we actually doing on a whole that's not working? And if you follow these 6 C's and the Legendary Marketer program that I'm recommending, and you invest the time and the little bit of money that you're going to need to build a website and get into the Legendary Marketer ecosystem and learn the language of the program, that's so important, guys. Like, so many people don't do that. Everything I've ever promoted online, I buy the product, right? I get in there, I spend the money, and I learn what's going on. And if you implement these 6 C's with your content and your messaging and your certainty, then you're going to clearly see that this is a simple process for making money and generating passive income online. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel if you like these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that was unclear or just went a little bit over your head, or if you think it was kind of stupid, let me know that too. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to get feedback from y'all so I can make this channel better for you, because I really want everybody, especially if you've never made money online, to actually finally get out there and start seeing the success that you desire and that you deserve. So hopefully this was great. I'll post a link to my 15-day challenge in the description below if you want to learn more. We'll see y'all very soon. Have a good day.